Alright guys, got Gary here. Is going to do a couple boxes of '07 Ultimate Collection Baseball. Good luck. No problem, man. Appreciate the order. I've never hit a logo, MLB logo out of this stuff. Let's see if we can do that. Thanks, buddy. Alright, start off with Roy Halladay. Base. We've got a jersey of Nick Swisher. Solid autograph here. Cole Hamels. America's Pastime. And Pastime jersey to 75, Ryan Sandberg. Number 2, looks like we got a patch in this one of some sort. Felix Hernandez to 450. 2-color. This is Rich Harden, 25 of 25. Autograph, Josh Hamilton to 25. And jersey of Albert Pujols. Pack number 3. All right, A-Rod base. We got a dual autograph coming up. John Smoltz, jersey. And that's a pretty cool dual autograph. Numbered 24 of 44, Reggie Jackson and Adam Dunn. And Wade Boggs, jersey. All right, finish up box 1. Jason Bay, 450 base. Brandon Webb, to 50 jersey. Homer Bailey, autograph, and jersey of Nolan Ryan. Very solid box. All right, number 2. All right, start off with base of Justin Verlander. Tim Hudson, jersey. Rookie autograph of Phil Hughes to 299. And jersey of Rod Carew. Ryan Howard base. Phil Niekro, jersey to 50. Kendry Morales, pastime signatures. And Grady Sizemore to 25. 4-color patch. Paul Konerko, base. Tony Perez, 24. Another Cole Hamels autograph. Hamels hot case. It's not a bad one to get a dupe of. And Chris Carpenter, jersey. Daisuke base. We got a John Lackey jersey. Pastime signature Nick Markakis. And finish up with jersey Ozzie Smith, number /50. All right, man. Pretty solid break. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.